Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today, we are going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number using the expanded form multiplication method. And in this method, we will take 738 times 59, and we're going to write these numbers in expanded form. So in this case, 738 is the same as saying 700 plus 30 plus 8, and 59 is the same as saying 50 plus 9. And we're going to use these forms of the numbers to multiply. And so in this case right here, we are going to use a box to multiply using the expanded form method. We're going to use the expanded form method because, in my opinion, zeros make numbers happy, and I'll show you how. So we have 700 plus 30 plus 8, which will replace 738. And we have 50 plus 9, which will replace 59. And we're going to distribute the 50 to 700, to 30, and to 8. And so in this case, we have 5 times 7, which will give us 35. And we're going to add the 3 zeros to it. Why 3 zeros? Because when we multiply these two numbers, there are 3 zeros involved. 1, 2, 3. And we'll just write them out right here to give us 35,000. We're going to distribute the 50 to 30. We know that 5 times 3 gives us 15. And we have two zeros here. And so we're going to use those 2 zeros and plug them right into the box. And so our answer is 1,500 when we multiply 50 times 30. And then we're going to do the same thing to 50 times 8. We know that 5 times 8 will give us 40. And we're just going to add one more zero to it because when we multiply these two numbers, there is 1 0 that we can add right here. And now our answer is 400. Then we're going to distribute the 9 across the board. We're going to distribute the 9 to 700, to 30, and to 8. And so in this case, when we multiply 9 times 700, we will get 9 times 7, which is 63. And we're going to add in these 2 zeros to our final product right here. And so 9 times 700 is actually 6,300. And we're going to multiply 9 times 30. 9 times 3 is 27. And we just add that 1 0 when we multiply these two numbers. And then finally, we're going to multiply 9 times 8, which will give us 72. And then a good way to add really large numbers is to add them from greatest to least or chunk them. And in this case, I decided to chunk them by doing this way: 35,000 plus 6,300. Well, that will give us 41,300. And then we're going to add it to another chunk in which we're going to add 1,500 to 270. And we'll get 1,770. And then we'll add that last remaining chunk, 400 plus 72, which of course will give us 472. And we're going to add these bottom numbers together to get this situation right here, in which our answer will end up being 43,542. Okay, and so in this case, this is very helpful for students who kind of find multiplying using the regular algorithm kind of difficult. At least in this case, you could break the numbers down into their components and then multiply them using distributive property. Right now, you received a little bit of information, quite a bit of information, so it'll be a good time to perhaps pause the video and just observe this anchor chart, or you may play the video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of what it means to multiply using an easy way known as the expanded form multiplication method. And with that in mind, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.